Hey guys, it's me. I just wanted to make a quick video to talk about what's going on right now in the world of music business. As you know, I myself am a musician, a recording artist, performer, etc., songwriter, composer. I've had a band called Young Astronauts Club for, around 25 years or so now, since I was a kid. And I have other projects, solo music, etc. And here's what's going on with the music business as we speak right now. Recently, our wonderful President Donald Trump passed a law basically making it illegal for streaming companies to use your work without paying you. This is all great. However, today is the 15th. I am scheduled to get paid a royalty payout for streams that I've accumulated over the last while today. It appears that the companies are still the problem and not the law. I'm owed for August of 2018 somewhere between $40,000 and $50,000 total for my entire company, not a corporation, which I then have to, break down and distribute among a lot of people. One of the companies who owes the most money, because we did a lot of promotion with their site, which we paid for ourselves, by the way. We paid a few $1,000s out of money that we had accumulated through previous royalties into promoting songs on this website that I shall not name just yet, with the expectation that they were going to pay us for the songs being played. Well, they've not done so. They're not doing so, and they view it as though, or seem to view it as though, we're the privileged ones for being ripped off, basically, and for paying to promote their company. Now, you and I know the amount of work that goes into, at least a lot of people who watch my stuff know the amount of work that goes into producing music, especially original music, the amount of expense that goes into it, time, effort, energy, that goes into producing original content. Legally, we are owed for usage of that work, and morally. Now, if this company, or any company that uses original content of any kind, is refusing to pay rights holders, there's a problem, and there's law being broken. Now the question I have is, what are we going to do about it? Are we going to just continue to allow these companies to rip us off? Or are we collectively going to pursue them for the money that we're owed and make sure that they don't do this, that they don't continue to do this in the future? Because, if they simply just paid us out, we would be able to then take that money, reinvest it in more promotion, make their company bigger, and they could continue to find investment capital, like the $1 billion that they received a while back from some investors. $40,000, $50,000 for a month is really a drop in the bucket to these people. They just don't want to pay. So the question is, who's being greedy? Is it us or is it them? And who's morally right? Who's morally wrong? Is it us or is it them? I believe it's us. I believe it's the people like myself and my friends and collaborators who actually, do the work of producing content rather than these companies that think that just because they have a tech platform that they can steal everybody's work. YouTube, you guys are not the greatest either, from what I hear, when it comes to that kind of thing. These platforms are great, otherwise, but they're not respecting people's copyrights. They're not respecting people's intellectual property rights. They're not respecting people's hard work. And they're not respecting the fact that people deserve to be paid for their work. So, if any of you guys who own any of these companies are out there watching, know that, if and when I become President of the United States, if you refuse to pay people for their work, I am not your friend, and I will pursue you to the ends of the earth for what you owe to people and what you have stolen from people if you refuse to pay. And musicians and artists and content creators out there, know that I am on your side and that I want to do something to change this situation, because I know full well what it's like to be in this situation. It's not fun. It's not pleasant. And, I value your work. I know the value of your work. And, you guys are playing by the rules. You guys are, adhering to the spirit of the law and are contributing something to the greater good, the betterment of society, the betterment of humanity. And these parasites, who are basically psychopaths and sociopaths, think that they can, just keep taking from you. Well, those days are numbered. President Trump, if there's anything you can do right now to, stop this on behalf of the musician and artist community of America, and indeed the world, we support you 100%, and we just want to make a living and pay our taxes just like everybody else. My company is a U.S. company. I owe my taxes to the United States government, and I'm more than happy to pay them as long as my ability to make a living is respected and supported. So, let's have a discussion about this, guys. And, realize that businesses such as mine and others, there are many people out there doing the same thing that I do. Let's be honest. Companies like this could really be a significant source of income for the government, right? In the form of tax revenue and this kind of thing. But if we're not getting the help we need to ensure that we get paid, then it's not a system that works for anybody. And if the system is turning a blind eye to what tech companies are doing by ripping everybody off, then the system is definitely broken, because it's not their money. They're stealing from everybody else. Okay, so let's make this thing work. Let's tweak it, because the money should be flowing this way and not that way. Right? Right. Okay, this is Michael Macintosh. Thanks for watching my videos. Please visit my website, youngastronautsclub.com, and check out some tunes on there, and depending on where you listen, you might end up throwing some royalty money my way, which I appreciate and will definitely go towards the furtherance of my getting my platform out, and getting the word out to people that I'm here, and I'm here to help you guys, and I want to help you guys. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.